Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about what separates the top Shopify dropshipping stores from the ones that are just fighting to break even. So, before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. That is why we analyzed the top 12 Shopify dropshipping stores in multiple niches so that we can inspire you while giving you concrete and practical tips for the store revenue boost you are looking for. So let's not waste more time and dive into our list of top stores and the 20+ lessons we learned from analyzing them. 1. Blue Crate. It was started from a man who had been looking for the perfect gift for his wife for hours until finally finding the perfect one. So in order to help other people searching for the perfect gift, he decided to start his own gift store. Where did the name come from? He saw under his desk a blue crate and decided to register the domain under that name. Good or not, the name is popular and the store's revenue is in the millions per month. Thanks to our product fetch intelligence tool in our dropshipping app, we can see which are their best-selling products. The reason we put Blue Crate first on our list, on top of the revenue per month, is for 3 very good reasons why it is actually one of the top Shopify dropshipping stores. The insane amount of direct traffic they get, no ads on top of the ones bidding on their own brand name, great amounts of referral traffic. Lesson. Create relationships with the biggest affiliates in your niche and create a social media presence where you can offer your products using great quality videos. 2. Hygo. Hugo makes close to 15 million a month in revenue. Let's see what we can learn from this incredibly successful general Shopify dropshipping store. First of all, we notice that just like Blue Crate, it has a good number of referrals. What makes it different from Blue Crate is that Hygo receives more organic traffic each month. Lesson. Improve your site's SEO. Specifically learn how to get backlinks to your most important pages. Also, link out from your most authoritative pages to the ones you want to rank. Hygo is leveraging YouTube to promote their products. Most of their videos are in the 250,000 to 500,000 video views range. Some of them have been watched by millions. Lesson. Analyze their videos. The titles, keywords, how they sell each product, etc. A tool like TubeBuddy or Video IQ would be very helpful for you to level up your YouTube SEO game. Also, if we have a look at their website, we can see how they are leveraging social proof in their headlines along with the star ratings and numbers sold. 3. Warmly. Warmly is probably the top Shopify dropshipping store when it comes to home and decor. What I like about Warmly when it comes to marketing is that it automatically tracks your IP address and adjusts the prices to your country's currency. Another great tactic that they use is that after you scroll for a certain amount of time, it shows you a person's name, address, and what they bought recently. Again, the lesson here is about social proof and having great images that feature your product. When it comes to the marketing side, 99% of their traffic comes from organic search and Pinterest marketing. 4. Dog Potty. Now we are getting into another niche-specific top Shopify dropshipping store. From a revenue standpoint, it isn't as much as Warmly, but it is doing very well for a niche-specific store. Lesson. If you are in a specific niche, look around for what digital product you can offer your audience, like Dog Potty selling ebooks online. 5. Treasure Fan. It is no surprise that their store is in our list of top Shopify dropshipping stores. There are a few things I like specifically about them that I can't wait to share with you. 1. The first impression. You can tell a lot about the site from the homepage. Here, just like when we talked about Dog Potty's product descriptions, you can see immediately how they are pre-selling you on why their products are unique and the best. All while staying in the treasure pirate persona they have built a brand on. 2. Their images are top quality and change to help you visualize the use of the product. When you are about to click on a product, it either changes the product angle, or shows how it would look if you were wearing it or had it in your house. Adding a human element to it is very good to help the reader visualize using it. Lesson. Use scarcity. It is a very powerful sales tactic. 6. Best choice products. Again, we are going to go over a general dropshipping store. One of the many things I like about them is that they sell high-ticket dropshipping items. A big portion of their sales come from products in the 100 to 200 range. The best thing about their site is that they spend zero on advertising. And it is no surprise. If we go behind the scenes, by using Ahrefs, we can see that they receive a huge amount of organic traffic each month. 109K is how much they would need to pay per month if they were bidding in Google AdWords on all of the keywords that bring them traffic. Lesson. Use Ahrefs to have a look at their top pages report for ideas on which keywords bring in the most organic traffic. 7. Stylish new deals. The first impression I get when visiting their blog is that they are very direct. As you can see, their homepage has a clear call to action: shop now. I don't see a blog section, which means the majority of their traffic will come from paid ads and social media. And if we head over to SimilarWeb, then we can see how this is very true. The majority of their traffic comes from social media, direct and search. If I have a deeper look at their social traffic sources, we can see that more than one of our top Shopify dropshipping stores on our list gets all of its social traffic from Pinterest. The lesson: what helps them get this insane amount of views is that they have a lot of boards created. They have boards on each category of products that they sell. You can follow the board, and whenever they pin another product to the board, you will be notified. With Pinterest, you can also create your own board and pin individual products that you like to it. Awesome strategy. 8. Grow Shop. Grow Shop is a general Shopify dropshipping store. Here you can find everything from electronics to toys. It has products in all of the major dropshipping niches such as electronics and accessories, houseware and kitchen, sports and outdoors, tools and garden, health and beauty, car accessories, toys, kids and gift. The interesting thing about them is that they don't have ads running. Also, they have Pinterest photos with clickable links leading to their site but no page. If you look them up in SimilarWeb, it says that they are getting around 30% from their traffic from Facebook, which is their main channel, 98% of the social traffic share. But if you have a closer look at their traffic sources, you will see something interesting. Can you guess it? Okay, here it is. Unlike the other of the top-ranking sites mentioned earlier, Grow Shop has a good percentage of its traffic coming from email marketing. It is close to 5%. With the other top Shopify dropshipping stores, we saw maybe a 0.5 to 1% of their traffic coming from email. Lesson. Capture your buyers' email addresses so that you can bring them back to your store. 9. Notebook Therapy. This is a very niche-specific Shopify dropshipping store that sells something that most of us probably would have never thought of. Japanese plus Korean stationery. But before we go into what we can learn from this amazing store, let's see how it compares to the other stores on our list. As we can see, this store receives a lot of traffic each month, which makes them a good amount of revenue. As with our previous stores on the list, we will go to SimilarWeb to see which platforms bring in the most traffic and also analyze their Shopify store. So, almost half of Notebook Therapy's traffic is from returning customers. We can also see that Google search is another huge traffic source for them. And only 0.5% is from paid ads. The next step is to go to Ahrefs and see if they receive a good amount of organic traffic each month. According to SimilarWeb, their social media presence is balanced between Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, Instagram, and Reddit. If we have a look at their Facebook page, we can see a few things that they are doing really well. You can also see they are not just giving away some random, or even best-selling items to their fans. They are using the giveaway to generate more views and excitement for their new product that they are just launching. Also, if you are unsure about a certain product, you can use the giveaway as a test to check if enough people will jump at the opportunity to get it. Lesson. Use giveaways as a way to leverage your fan base to promote your newly added products. There you have it. If you count them, you will see that there are actually 20+ lessons that can help you boost your revenue and create a complete marketing strategy for your own store. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.